As technology continues to advance, customers expect high-quality products faster than ever before. With the development of multi-filament 3D printers, designers are now able to print more intricate three-dimensional structures. With 3D printing, you have the capability to go from an idea to a tangible product in a number of hours. The prototyping of automotive parts in a timely manner is why engineers are turning to 3D technology for speed, precision, and proof of concept. The use of Kuraray's Mowiflex filament for 3D printing allows for design flexibility. It is helping to transform the 3D printing world with its biodegradable polyvinyl alcohol filament. Mowiflex's features make it a great structural support choice for those wanting ease when finalizing their projects. It simply dissolves down your drain, leaving the primary printed piece intact. Mowiflex provides a temporary, water-soluble support structure which assists artists in creating complex geometries and provides the ability to print moving parts. Mowiflex is dissolvable in cold water, is biodegradable, and has strong adhesion to the common 3D printed filaments on the market. At Kuraray, we are here to innovate. Let us show you how Mowiflex can help to make your 3D printing dreams a reality.